What if your whole marketing team could work 10 times faster? This AI platform's replacing more than 20 tools with one powerful solution. And the results are absolutely mad. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's crack on. All right, everyone, so this is the landing page for copy.ai. You'll find the link to this in the video description. It's positioning itself as an all-in-one go-to-market, also known as GTM. This AI platform is designed to replace dozens of fragmented tools across sales, marketing, and operation. Now, instead of relying on disconnected point solutions, organizations use Copy AI to unify their data, codify their best practices, and get rid of that go-to-market bloat. The result is a single, all-in-one intelligence system that streamlines execution while also improving consistency and speed across the entire revenue engine. Want more leads and to dominate your niche? Yeah, Trenker.net is here to cut through the nonsense and build real strategies that deliver results. All right, everyone, let's start by opening an incognito window for this. This keeps our searches clean and free from any bias caused by previous browsing. So let's go ahead and make sure the settings for this one are set to English. Let me go ahead and run a couple of searches. So, hi proxies. Who comes up first? Look at that. That's me right there. Let's try one last thing and see if this one also gives us a positive result. Look at that, everyone. My thumbnail is ranking at the top of the search results. So that's how you know you're doing something right. So, do you want your business to be the go-to in your industry? It starts with yitranker.net, where we take you straight to the top. Let's get back to the video. So, the platform supports a wide range of high-impact use cases, and its prospecting cockpit enables teams to research, target accounts, and generate high-quality leads instantly. And you can actually go ahead and check that one out right here at the top. And you have the use cases. Do you see that prospecting cockpit I mentioned? That's where you can actually get more information about it. Now, inbound lead processing is also automated through the enrichment and engagement workflows, allowing teams to convert prospects more quickly. So on the sales side, you can actually click on this one. Right here, resources. You've got the sales, right? Now, you'll be able to get more information about this. And I would strongly suggest, of course, that you do your own research. That way, you can gather as much information as possible and make better decisions. So on the sales side, AI-powered deal coaching and forecasting analyze call data to predict close dates and identify risks. For the impact on revenue, so basically, folks, Copy.ai is your all-in-one go-to tool instead of using lots of different tools out there. You've got this for sales, this for leads, everything's in one place, which makes it more efficient and more effective when it comes to generating revenue. So, Copy AI has already demonstrated its value at scale, with over 17 million users already across leading organizations such as Lenovo, Siemens, and also Gong. So enterprises are reporting significant cost savings, and that includes Lenovo's $16 million in annual efficiency gains, with more than 2,000 integrations, including Salesforce, HubSpot, and Outlook. So the platform already fits seamlessly into existing GTM stacks. It's built for enterprise use, folks. Copy.ai delivers SOC 2 compliant security, GDPR support, and single sign-on, while also remaining LLM agnostic and compatible with models from OpenAI, Anthropic, and Mare. So brand voice controls ensure that every output remains consistent, on brand, and with company standards, which makes Copy.ai a foundational GTM platform rather than just another AI tool out there. So you really ought to go and check this one out. All the links for this will be in the video description. If you're new to the channel, hopefully you'll consider clicking like, subscribing, and hitting that bell. That way, you'll always get notified whenever I release new videos like this in the future. I'll see you in the next one.